So I'm discuss about that very important topic. After adding for affiliate marketing product on your website, how to advertise your that links, so how to increase your sales. So that is first of all, after adding the product on your website, you can start your promotions. That is called any website will be promoted in one option is called anyimage.io option. Anyimage.io option. This is called we can first can prepare one image. Just click for browse. Select for download. This image will be select and select your description. Paste it. Amazon special offer. This will be copy the link. Before click for finish, you can check your image with content where Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Google Plus. So we'll now click for finish to select your link. So most of the audience will be selected by the any kind of product will be using for Facebook. Select your Facebook option. Just look here. In this I'm using for option here. So we can first you can say it by the newsfeed and your story. Special offer. Samsung mobile. Galaxy A50. Samsung A50. Samsung mobiles. So just this I'm adding for total hashtags. So automatically shared by where newsfeed and your story also. It will reach by your total timeline peoples. Now click for post on your Facebook. In this one link, you can promote by your description. You can product sale and promote by the video also. Just post to Facebook here. Any Facebook will be promoted by your friends timeline, your timeline, and your sending by the private message, and you can send him by the group also. So it will be sale by here. Yes, I'm selecting for page. Search your best deal. Select your post to Facebook. So I'm sharing for page. Next, I can share it for group. Sharing for group option. Most of the sales will be done by your Facebook. So group, select your Hyderabad online sale, paste it, post to Facebook. What are the website will be sales will be done in your Facebook group. Will post in for that option. Yeah. So any group will adding for your Facebook by sale group and advertise group to the sharing for the your product. Automatically sharing will accept by your group option. Same like I'm sharing for LinkedIn. LinkedIn also will be sharing by your public post and you are shared by your private message also. So I'm selecting for LinkedIn. Just you can share any product. LinkedIn will be two options: public plus private message. Just upload by here option. I'm selecting by here. Shade in. Post by the public. Select here. Option called anyone in this option. We will show in here. So just upload the option here. Wait for a second. Let's show you by option call is post. Then you can share it by the public and the private message also. Finally, we can go for Google Plus also. When up to Google Plus will be live, you can share it by the Google Plus. So no Google Plus, we can't share it by your Google Plus option. Select it. So after posting your option, the post will enable will be like this. Anything will be shared by your option. That is most option will be Facebook will be very important. That is called groups, page, and shared by your friends timeline, your timeline with news story and your private message. Last one your Facebook. That is most people are using for when shared by your private message by individual persons. This is very important for the individual person getting for live chat will be your private message. That is called individual chat. Select it. You can use option here. Anyone can select here. Click for send message. These are all the received by the individual person by your messages. These are chat message. They receive by as a chat message. Last will be sending for Twitter option. Any website will be sharing by here, or else direct sharing by option will be here. The below the option call is Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Select it, log and tweet. Simple option. They will be using. So I'm clicking for Facebook. Any image that I want to think, but what are I'm using for website title? If using for different title, different image, different description purpose, using for any image.io option. So clear? So any changing for description, title and image, using for any image.io. So image is not appear. Just close. Once again, reshare. When images appear, you can share it by your anywhere. Select your friend's timeline option. Select it, paste. You can share it by a number of friends timeline. A number of friends timeline. See here. Select it. Friends timeline. One time you can share only for one person. Clear? This is called shared by your Facebook. Along with using for website option. So this is called we can using for sale this purpose. We can using for social media. The option is called Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn option for using for affiliate marketing program. Any affiliate marketing program, most of the using for the only for Facebook. That is called your timeline with the story, friends timeline, private message to send your friends as a chart. This will be groups. Final will be share your multiple pages based on your offers. So this is called share your affiliate marketing product links through website to social media for increasing sales purpose. Any promotion, most of the image is important. Most of the image will be important. Same link, you can changing multiple product, multiple title, multiple description using for anyimage.io. Same product link, you can changing for multiple title, multiple description, multiple images using for anyimage.io. See, this is my image. Here will be different image. Both are different image. Link will be same. That is we are using for third-party website and our own website to share by social media networks.